Welcome back. We still suck. You guys didn't miss anything.
No, you fucking weren't.
Yes, I was.
Nope.
Maybe it's good he got the full-time job. Maybe it's good.
That really looked like it hurt.
The hose like so. Go, Cam, go! Chug, Roman.
I mean, you.
Oh! No way. Did he?
Oh, Noah's in here. Noah said, "Come on, my ass."
Huh?
What the fuck?
We're having a great day back. Falling out in right field, missing second base from the bases. I'm never coming back.
Play! Oh, you dumb bitch.
Why are you on second? No.
Come on! Yeah. What are you watching, Sean? Go! Go! Atta boy! Dude, I was like, no swing! Dude, you're so fast!
How good is this thing at picking up numbers? Wait, one more.
No.
Oh!
Nope.
Right.
Nope, by you. Better pump those arms, Cole! Pump them arms!
Get your gloves, you dropped it! Yep.
Putting this on?
Trouble!
Top this! Push it in!
Here. What the fuck was that?
You gotta body that other one.
Psych!
Finally!